Chanel here, your menopause nutritionist. The doors are open to my free protein challenge. We start in just a few days. So if you are listening to this, then I encourage you to grab the link that you will find here, get yourself signed up, and I'm going to share a little bit of an extra bonus that you may be in for later in our chat. But firstly, I just want to make sure everyone who is wanting goals for 2026, if you're female, 40 plus, you have body composition goals, you want better energy, mood, focus, sleep, want to get rid of the cravings, you want to feel your absolute best, this is the perfect way to kickstart this. So I'm going to start, before I give you my little bonus, is sharing why everyone these days, why chat isn't the answer to everyone's problems. I suppose I have been masterminding and answering questions all week. I've had a lot of you that I've been messaging with, and I know a lot of you are like struggling to get started. You just don't know where to start. You don't know what to do. You don't know how much to eat. You don't know how many calories to consume. You don't have motivation. You don't have consistency. You can't stick to anything. Like, I know this because I've been in and out of messages like all week. My messages are crazy. So I know that there's like a lot of problems. Now we have this new tool, AI, right? And so you might be even listening to me talking about this free protein challenge. And maybe you have heard me for a while, because I've been running these for a while. This is like 3 years deep into protein challenges. This is my 4th year. Like, I was here before protein was cool. And so you may have heard me bang on about protein, and I will never stop. I can tell you that. I am that person. I am the person cheering protein on, because it is such a game changer. So you might now go, well, you know what? I've got chat, so I'll just ask chat and that will solve all my problems. I don't need to jump in a challenge. Okay, I'm going to debunk this for you. Now, I use chat. I think it's actually an awesome tool when it's used correctly. However, when we are talking about getting goals, hitting your protein, changing your body composition, creating new behaviors, habits, we're talking about motivation, it is never going to solve these problems. Now, the reason for that is, according to the American Society of Training and Development, the ASTD, you have 65% greater chance of completing a goal if you commit with someone. So as human beings, we know that, and the research has been done, we are actually social creatures. We need other people to help us be a better version of ourselves. We actually need other people to connect with and share our lives with, right? We're not supposed to be like nomad hermits. That's the word I wanted, hermit. So when we are in a group environment, and this is why my group programs have so much success, we rise when other people are doing the things. So I run a couple of group programs. My current program, which is my Thrive Forward community, the ladies in there, they're like so gun-ho. They make me better, right? Like, they're in there like, I'm like gonna lose 5 pounds in 6 weeks, and like they're like, we've just been doing some like a new goal block. They're all like in the chat, like going, like, I can't help but be motivated because they're all doing the things. They're all tracking their food and they're doing this and they've been to the gym, and you know, like, how can I like not have motivation when I see everyone else doing it? And this is exactly what happens in my free protein challenge. So far, I have 368 people signed up. There's still a few days, so we'll probably definitely hit 400, like maybe more. that's a lot of people to get inspired and motivated around, right? And so this is why, as much as chat might spit out recipes for you, which is great, okay, I'm use it when you need to, you're never going to get the accountability, the motivation, the inspiration, the long-term effects of creating behavior change from chat. It's never going to replace human beings. So I just wanted to clear that up, because we live in this world and it's new stuff, right? Like it's exciting, what's happening, but also we need to have a reality check on, for example, I am running this challenge, so my messages are crazy. You would not even believe it if I tried to show you. But I have to manage my phone. This is the society we live in now, right? We are so reliant on them. So I want you to really just have a reality check. If you're listening to this in whatever format, I want you to just check yourself and go, okay, chat is helpful. If, you want it to spit you out a recipe, or you want to ask it something, get a hack or whatever, cool. But from an accountability point of view, you will not get where you want to go using that as your form of moving forward. So this is where we know we need to actually make a commitment. And here's the other thing. When we commit, this time on the challenge, when you come into the group, you'll see there's a question. How committed am I to this challenge? I've only got 7 days with you. 7 days, it's not very long. As a coach, my job and my absolute promise to you is, if you commit to this, you'll get results in a week. I promise you that. But what's your commitment? You have to be 100% in, right? So now I pop a question in there as you're coming into the group, how committed are you? Straight up. Make that contract with yourself that you are going to commit to this and see it through and do all the things, because then you'll get results. When we make a commitment with ourselves, when we break it, we actually only hurt ourselves. No, you're not actually hurting me, right? There's hundreds of people doing the challenge. I am super excited. Super excited already for all of you that are coming. So exciting. You are only hurting yourself, because that then affects your self-esteem. It affects you and your ability to trust yourself going forward. So this is why I'm asking this question, because when you answer it, you're more likely to actually stick. You're more likely to stick and do it, and that means you'll get results, and that's what I'm excited for you. You're going to get results, and this is going to help you feel better, and then you're going to see that this works, and then you're going to believe yourself, because you've just committed for 7 days, and we're going to then be able to get you your goals. Exciting. It's exciting stuff. So just wanted to lay that out, because I think we live in this world of new technology, and we have to just be clear on where we're at and where we're going and how things work. And chat is not something we are relying on. Oh no. So the next thing I wanted to talk to you about, so if that hasn't got you inspired to click that link and sign up, then you're just not ready. And honestly, I want you to commit. So if you cannot commit for a week, and here's the thing, just so you know, you're committing to eating. That's what you're doing. You are committing to prepping your meals. We're going to do a meal prep live together on Sunday. So if you're on that call, obviously we get to interact and you can ask me questions. I would love you to commit to being on the calls. There's live calls throughout the challenge. I would love you to commit to doing the daily accountability posts. That's going to help you get your results. So when you commit, that's when you get results. I can't help you if you're not going to commit. So actually, if you're you know what, I can't commit to this, which I just want to say is you're going to eat next week anyway, so kind of rethink that idea. Like, really check yourself, like, what is stopping you? You're going to eat anyway. I want people committed, because those people are going to get results. Right, the next part of this is I have a big prize. I have a competition that I am running because one of you will win this prize, and I will announce this prize on the first call, our kickoff call on Saturday. In the next couple of days, you've got the chance to share this link and get your friends into the Facebook group. When one of your friends gets in the Facebook group, because there's a question in there when they land in there now. So what happens is, the process of this is you will go ahead and join the protein challenge with the link. When you fill out the form and put your name and email in, you will get an email. If you don't see it, check your junk folder or search from chanelstucknutrition@gmail.com. Actually save that email address in your contacts. That would help you not lose your emails. There's a link to get into the group. Right now in the group, there's a free recipe ebook, and I'm going to be putting the shopping list for the challenge in that group this afternoon, so you can start doing your shopping and have all the food that you need for the week. You will miss the challenge if you're not in the Facebook group, but one of the questions when you get into the Facebook group is who referred you to this group. When your friend writes your name, you get 10 entries to this competition. Now, the winner of the competition, and you can obviously get as many friends as possible in there, so 5 friends, 50 entries, that if you win this, you will get a one-on-one call with me doing a deep dive and a nutrition plan, so we can see what your goals are. I can do your macros and your calories for you, and we can mastermind how you can absolutely get the most out of this challenge. Isn't that exciting? So this is the competition. You need to, obviously, tagging them in the post that I put on social media is super helpful. You can just send them the link that you are about to sign up with, but they need to get in the group to get those 10 entries. Otherwise, there's no entries. So 10 entries per friend when they hit their Facebook group. So it's your job to make sure that they get there, follow them up, give them the process, and then one of you will win that prize, and we will go to town getting you organized and organize everything you need so you know how many calories, your macros, and do a goal setting deep dive so you are on track. Isn't that exciting? And we will announce that on Saturday on the first call. I will mention there are prizes all throughout the challenge. I have a couple of awesome sponsors. One is FODBODs, who do that's my favorite protein bar. We're going to be giving away prizes from them every day. And then my favorite protein powder, Fiber, have at 40% off discount. The code is in the group, so you can grab that. And we will be giving away bags of Fiber protein powder across the challenge as well. So every day there'll be prizes. So that is based on your accountability. So it's going to be so fun. I cannot wait. I am really pumped. Like I said, super excited. Already almost 400 people in the group have signed up. We just need to get you all in the group now, and then I'll be dropping that shopping list today. So I can't wait. Grab the link. It's right here for you. If you have any questions at all, drop them here. Otherwise, start inviting your friends. Make sure they're referring you in the group, and I will see you on our live on Saturday where we draw the winner. Good luck, and I can't wait to do this with you and help you get results over the next week. You deserve it. Let's kickstart that for you, and you're going to learn heaps. You're going to enjoy the food, and it's going to be awesome. Thanks for joining in today. I truly appreciate you, and have a beautiful day.